Bridgway Asset Protection Plan, which combines proven asset protection strategies with 5 core legal entities working in concert together. These entities create financial privacy, asset protection, and an effective estate plan for you and your heirs. The plan also addresses the 2 major problems you currently face. Problem 1. All your current investments, assets, and real estate may be titled to your personal name or to companies you may own. This means everything you own is at immediate risk of loss to creditors, lawsuits, or government seizures. What are the chances of being sued this year? Over 19 million lawsuits will be filed this year alone. That's 1 lawsuit every 2 seconds. Any lawsuit, even meritless, can bankrupt you and/or seriously disrupt your business and personal life for years to come. At best, you could be forced into an expensive legal settlement, or worse, lose everything only to be left penniless and deeply in debt. The laws now give federal and state agencies the incentive to seize assets on mere suspicion alone, without any concern to your prior due legal process. Problem 2. You don't have an effective estate plan and are merely relying on a will. Without an effective estate plan, your estate and your heirs could be dragged through legal probate to settle a will. Even a simple will could take up to 6 months to probate in court. Complex wills can take 2 years or more. During a probate proceeding, your will must be examined, approved, and then administered by a court judge. This can involve heavy court costs, attorney's fees, and administrator fees. There are court hearings, the advertising of public notices, public proceedings, and unnecessary delays for your heirs. You risk the chance that most of your estate could be depleted by lawyers' fees, court costs, creditors, and government taxation. If you have prepared a will, anyone may challenge your request in open court. Will you allow lawyers to devour your family estate in courtroom battles? Will your heirs receive little to nothing of what you've left them? Let's look at how the Bridgway Asset Protection Plan solves these problems to protect assets and create financial privacy, ensuring that your estate passes in a clean, low-tax manner to your chosen heirs. The Bridgway Asset Protection Plan uses an international business company, a Nevada limited partnership, and 3 legal trusts that you control in complete anonymity. In effect, you legally own nothing, and yet anonymously control everything. Your assets will always remain yours to enjoy, and your liquid assets may be wired anywhere in the world to international banks and brokerage accounts you control. Let's take a brief look at each of the 5 entities that make up the Bridgway Asset Protection Plan. The Management Privacy Trust acts as your personal privacy administrator and is directed by a privacy director you appoint. It allows you full control while ensuring your anonymity. The second entity is a Wealth Protection Trust. This trust owns and protects your family limited partnership's assets and cannot be demanded by any beneficiary or a beneficiary's creditors. Your third entity is a Limited Liability Partnership. This entity enjoys Nevada's full charging order protection laws while protecting you from creditors who cannot control or force the release of your assets. The fourth entity is the International Business Company, which can conveniently establish offshore bank and brokerage accounts and may even hold your onshore assets in secrecy without you ever having to leave the country. The International Business Company can quickly relocate assets beyond the jurisdiction of U.S. courts. Finally, your family living trust is the capstone of all your estate planning needs and is superior to a will. It provides the permanent care for you and your spouse and privately fulfills all of your estate planning directives legally. The living trust can establish a last will and testament, a letter of wishes, a physician's directive, guardianship directives, a durable power of attorney, a non-contestability clause, and a pour-over will provision for your family's estate. The Bridgway Asset Protection Plan conveniently and effectively resolves your 2 major problems while providing you with excellent asset protection and financial privacy. It's fast, and it's an effective estate plan for you and your heirs. The Bridgway team of certified public accountants, certified financial planners, paralegals, and attorneys can have your Bridgway Asset Protection Plan conveniently established within 72 hours. Bridgway's team of financial experts understands your financial safety and security is important to you. We always take the time to ensure that you understand the process and provide you with everything you need to enjoy your financial prosperity, privacy, and protection with peace of mind. Act now knowing you've taken serious steps to safeguard your wealth for you and your heirs. Contact Bridgway Financial Corporation right now. Go to bridgwaycorp.com.